Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is from my good friend John and the in-house team at American Express in New York City. They send a ton of mail and they do some pretty creative things. And this one, this really cool strategy of this die-cut, customized envelope and direct mail package, actually they saw a double-digit increase in response, so I thought this was really cool. This is technically a folded custom envelope, so a little bit different for fold of the week this week, but I thought it was really worth it because this is so clever, and these were custom made for this campaign. They did a few million of these. So, and by the way, this was a collaboration between FOW, who did the outer envelope, and SG360, who did all of the personalized contents on the inside. So what's really cool about this is the back is actually what's normally the front for most people, but they flipped it to the back, and this is all solid graphics. So the flap side has the address on it. So I love that because you kind of get a billboard on the back. So you've also got this really nice texture that's intriguing all along the top of the flap. And so you open that and you reveal that that's actually a skyline. So it's got a printed interior under the flap and behind the contents on the inside, and it shows a skyline, which is cool. And then you open it up, and this has all sorts of, you know, personalized brochure and personalized letter and everything in here, which is really well done. So the whole package works together very, very nicely. But I want to take this apart. It had a soft touch on the one side, and you can see here this is really just a custom folded piece where it's scored and die cut, and then these were folded and glued by machine. This is side seam basically, so you're just folding these two little short flaps tabs in, and then it glues like this, and then they did insertion by machine and then fugitive glue right here to close. So kind of simple in its construction, but brilliant for the reveal and the texture and the sensory qualities of this. And then, of course, since they did millions of these and these were all personalized, there was a pretty seriously sophisticated series of barcodes going on to make sure that everything matches everything else. And so the whole process was really sophisticated. But he was saying that they had double-digit response rate increases with this new format. So I just thought it was really worth showing and very creative. So I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Direct mailer with custom die-cut envelope. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, die lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week.